you hear that? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing an install on my MK8 GTI. Unitronic sent out their air intake for me, this beautiful piece of carbon fiber. So we're gonna try and install this in the car. It shouldn't be too hard. The instructions say it's like a 1 out of 5 for difficulty, which is great because I suck at installs and stuff. But I'm super excited to see how this looks under the GTI and mostly to see how it sounds, because apparently this really does open up how it sounds. But first, I'll give you guys some stock impressions and then we'll install this and go for another drive. Here is how it will sound. You can hear some of the air induction, which is nice, but it's not aggressive. It's not too intense. So I'm going to try and give you guys a bit of a POV of what it sounds like from the driver's seat. Got my car mount here, and then you can hear exactly what the air intake sounds like from the driver's seat, and then we'll do this again when we've got it installed. You get a ton of that induction noise stock, but I'm really excited to see what this new air intake is going to sound like, because from everything I hear, it's going to be gnarly and possibly even give us gains, which is sweet. Part 1, disassembly, gone well. Took an absolute beginner 10 minutes. They actually make it pretty simple in here. Simpler than I would assume. Got everything installed. Here's our initial startup. We'll do a couple revs. Oh my gosh! Do you hear that? Alright, so we have now driven this car for over 2 weeks with the Unitronic Air Intake, and it sounds absolutely phenomenal, you guys. It sounds so good. So I've driven you guys here to the coolest tunnel in Calgary so you guys can get a genuine sound of how this sounds from the cockpit of the car. I can tell you that I am absolutely falling in love with this component, this part. It makes this car come alive, and if I could only get like one proper part for this car, I think it would be this, because it really sounds so good and will actually give you performance gains. As well, I installed a new part in the last couple of weeks, the Maxton Design front lip, and it makes this car look so much better. It makes it look a little bit more aggressive, and I really like that. It makes it less of a humble car and adds that little bit of sportiness that you need. So my dad and I installed this together, which was so much fun. So there you go, guys. What do you think of the Unitronic air intake. It sounds so good to me. It's actually subtle enough, but shows up when I want it. So I'm actually quite pleased with how it sounds. I have yet to determine if it has performance gains. I'm not really driving this thing hard, but man, it sounds so good. I am assuming that if I went to like a stage 1 or stage 1 plus from Unitronic, that I would see some insane performance gains. But you guys let me know if you have done it before. I'd be super curious because A, warranty, B, is it worth it? I've heard of people, maybe they lose the joy because this thing has quite a bit of power. It's really fun, but if you get too much power, do you lose fun? I don't know. Maybe that's a stupid question. Let me know what you guys think. I'm absolutely loving my GTI. As you guys can see, I've got this lowered and put on some 1552 wheels. If you didn't see that video, you guys can check it out here. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments down below. If you like this kind of content or want to learn how to capture cars, car videos, that kind of thing, that's what we do here at the channel. Huge thank you to Unitronic for being a part of this video and sending me this part. It's going to be so much fun. This car is really coming together. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.